Hello children, very good morning. Hope all are well. Today's topic picture of the stomach, anatomy of stomach and what is the main function of stomach. Today's topic is taken from the NCERT for class 7th. So this is a very important facts. Here we will discuss about stomach. This is a stomach diagram I had already draw here. You can easily draw in your notebook. This content very important for class 7 and taken from the NCERT pattern. So let's revise. This is a very easy language. Use this content by me and please easily gain your knowledge and comment in this video description box. So before we start this topic, which is stomach, I will request you please subscribe, like, more share and press red button and increase your knowledge with this channel. So welcome to again our science fact channel. So let's start. Here we will discuss about stomach. The stomach is a muscular organ located on the left side of the upper abdomen. Located from the left side of the left side of the upper abdomen. So the stomach is a muscular organ located on the left side of the upper abdomen. This is a stomach. This is made up of muscular organ and situated on the left side of the upper abdomen in our body. Okay, so muscular is made up of soft and located on the left side of the upper abdomen. The stomach receives food from the esophagus. This is a diagram showing here. You can easily draw in your notebook. This is a esophagus. The stomach receives from the food esophagus. The stomach receives food from the esophagus. Okay, and taken food by the esophagus. So the stomach is a muscular organ made up of muscles and located on the left side of the upper abdomen. The stomach receives food from the esophagus. As reach as the food reaches the end of the esophagus. The food reaches at the end of the esophagus. This point is the end of the esophagus. This is called esophageal sphincter. Okay, this is called end of the esophagus. This point is called esophageal sphincter. So let's see here. The stomach as a food receive and reach the end of the esophagus. Okay, it enters the stomach through a muscular valve called lower esophageal sphincter. This is called lower esophageal sphincter. So come to the next point. The stomach secrete acid and enzymes that digest food. Okay, so the function of stomach we can see here. This is write down here. The stomach secrete acid and enzymes that digest food rich of muscles tissue called tracheoline. The stomach muscles contract periodically, churning food to enhance digestion. The pyloric sphincter is a muscular valve that opens to allow food to pass from the stomach to the small intestine. This is a diagram of pyloric. Here we can see here. This is a pyloric sphincter. This is a pyloric sphincter. This sphincter main function. This is the food comes from the stomach and go and carry down to the small reach the two small intestine. Okay, so let's revise. This is a diagram of stomach. This is a roughly lined stomach periodically churning the food whole in the stomach. This is the esophageal sphincter, esophagus, pyrolic sphincter and stomach. So let's revise. The stomach is a muscular organ located on the left side of the upper abdomen. The stomach receives food from the esophagus. Stomach receives food from the esophagus as food reach the food reach the end of the esophagus. The food reach end of the esophagus. In entire the stomach through a muscular valve enters the stomach. The food enters the stomach through a muscular valve called the lower esophageal sphincter. This is called lower esophageal sphincter, or this is a pyloric sphincter. The food comes from the food comes from the stomach and reach out to the small intestine. Okay, so next, the stomach secrete acid and enzymes that digest food. Ribs of muscles tissue cortical line the stomach. The stomach muscles contract periodically, churning the food to enhance digestion. Okay, the pyloric sphincter is a muscular valve that opens to allow food to pass from the stomach to the small intestine. So this is a pyloric sphincter. This point allow to food receive from the stomach and go to a small intestine. So we will finish this video, and I will request you, please subscribe, like and more share, and press red button, and be safe, stay in home, think positive, do positive. We already know, due to this critical position of pandemic coronavirus disease, all children can't go to school. So this video very interesting and topic wise discuss here step by step. So this topic taken from the NCERT pattern and class 7. This is a very important topic about stomach. So increase your knowledge and write down in your notebook. This is a diagram of stomach. So take care. Bye bye. Think positive, do positive, be safe, stay in home. Goodbye.